Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Algorithm Mind. My name is Asan Khurram and in this channel I teach programming skills in Python, MATLAB and R programming. I also teach Tableau, a data visualization tool. I also produce tutorials on data science and data analysis case study. So I request you to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell icon button. So I have been publishing a series of tutorial videos on Tableau. This is where I will teach you about the fundamentals from scratch. I also publish a highly resourceful video which will teach you how to make your account in Tableau Public, which is an online platform where you can actually create your own account and start plotting on Tableau software. And then I will teach you how to move around with the work environment of Tableau and how to create your first plots in Tableau. That being said, I will put down the link of that video in the description for you so you can go and check out that video. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can actually plot this tree map. So we have an assignment or a problem statement that states that we need to create a following view to display segments, region, ship mode and profits. Okay, so the basic separation criteria is that we have three cells. Like the first one is the segments, which is denoted by color category. Then we have shipping modes. Then we have region, and then shipping mode and profit. So for each segment, tree map with different colors. Okay, that being said, so we are going to we will go towards Tableau environment and I'm going to plot that on Tableau worksheet. So the first thing we need to do is to take profit measure and then drop it on size card. Okay, that being done, now we are going to take customer segment dimension and drop it on color card. Now we can already see that we see four boxes that correspond to different customer segment. The first one is home office, the blue one is consumer, the I don't know what do we call with that color, but anyways it's small business, and the orange one is corporate. Now we are going to label those boxes. So for labeling, we are simply going to pick customer segment and drop it on label. Now it has already labeled it. Okay, now the second criteria, we want to actually separate those boxes or create boxes within a boxes that will represent a specific segment of a region, east, west, north, south. Okay, so that's how we are going to do, and we will simply take region dimension and drop it on label card. Now you can actually see that the central east, each portion that corresponds to the total value of corporate by each region is now being displayed here. Like for example, the south corporate has a contribution quite less as compared to the central corporate. Now once we have done that, now the next thing we need to do is go towards shipping mode and drop it on label. Now you can see that there are actually three shipping modes: the express air, delivery truck and regular air. So we can actually visualize by the help of this tree map that most of the parcels that have been delivered through regular air as compared to delivery truck and express air. Okay, so the last thing we need to do actually is to mark the profit of each segment. So it's quite easy to we'll take the profit measure and drop it on label. Now you see that these quantities are displayed in number, but actually it's a currency, or let's say they are in dollar. To give our more meaning to our visualization, we actually need to convert those number into currency. It is quite simple to do that. So what we need to do is to go towards this sum profit and then click on drop down and then click on format. Now you will see this here number. You click on drop down menu and select standard currency. Now you can see that it has changed to currency. Now if you see that some boxes are vacant, it means that there are some contribution that is actually contributing to the negative profit. Okay, so it's negative in dollars, that's why it's not showing the value. So I hope this tutorial have been helpful. to you. I will be publishing more videos regarding Tableau, and I will create a comprehensive data analysis case study in Tableau, so step by step in the future. So I request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon button. Thank you for joining me, and I will catch you soon in the next video.